Hello, this is Gary at Jack Raven Bushcraft. Thank you for watching our video. This week I'm going to talk a little more around pruning saws. So last week, maybe the week before or so, I did a video on using a pruning saw, and I cut through a piece of wood onto a stump, so all relatively straightforward. Afterwards, however, I had a couple of questions around, well, what would you do if you didn't have a stump? And that's a very valid question, in fact. So this week I'm going to demonstrate something called the plumber's vice. So I've got a piece of wood here that I'm going to cut through. I've got my pruning saw, so I'm just going to open that up. So plumber's vice: hold the piece of wood in front of you, bring your non-dominant leg across the top. So now I've got the piece of wood sat on top of my right leg, and it's kind of in position there in behind my left knee. So on top of my right knee behind my left. Now it's only there because I'm holding this hand. If I was to let go, then it's going to pivot back around. So what I need to do is bring my left hand across like so and hold it there in position like that. And then what I can do is bring the saw back a few times. So this is exactly the same as I demonstrated onto a stump. I just bring the saw backwards, get a bit of a groove going on, and now I can just saw through. So all relatively straightforward. So just have a little look there. I want to try to what I would want to try to avoid happening is to be taken by surprise. So I kind of just moved my head a little bit so I can see what's going on, because I don't want the cut to finish when I'm not expecting it, and then the saw to just pop out. There we go, like so, and cut in half. So yeah, there's the plumber's vice. I do tend to use it pretty regularly, in fact, because when I am out and about in the woods, quite rightly, as the question came in or the comment came in, I don't have a stump, so that's going to be the thing I do under those circumstances. So hopefully, guys, that's something that is useful to you, something that you can take with you on your own bushcraft travels. I'm certainly hoping to get some more content out within the next week or so. Make sure you don't miss out on that by subscribing either to our YouTube channel or a blog. In the meantime, take care, stay safe.